Sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubak sengaw bahalang dhar ha ke Henry Utrik naitung. Ula banjur ba ke nongrim jong ke sorkar jela. Kalong kabasyai kedar. Kata ban omsya ya ke jingti uranium hapo ke jela. Ila keren syai halur ke nikam. Ngin omsya ya ke jingti uranium ha ke jela. Ke sorkar ke yeng haringkat upat ba ke jela. La kalong kumnu ru bat uranium. Henry ngila keren syai bangidan haringkat bat kipat ba ke jela Meghalaya. Ong ubak sengaw bahalang haba keren syakilat tai kubar. Kani kajing penpau jong menteri kelawan long ru kendiat singi hadian kajing keno jong ke KSU. Bakat tu kat niki MLA kilatiet jaka hadom yasian hakador kebatan bat persyang banyo jingkershan na kitrai shnong na kebenta kajing ti uranium. Na kalyang ubak sengaw bahalang ula penpau ba dan jingtip ru halor kani kajing kam. Henry ula banjur ba kajing ti uranium. Kan omla banyak syakmat klaim kajing menjur lang da kajela barok kawai. Ngamdan jingtip halor kani. Tang kawai kalong ba omsya ya kajing ti uranium kat ba kajela barok kawai kampat menjur lang ula ong. Hababan ram ba kasorkar kan sapenong ya kajing token halor kani kajing kena. Hoon, kalong kabasisya lada kadon kajing kena. Kasorkar kan pensisya la kadai kabasisya ni kababakla. Kani kalong kekam kabahakmat ulaong. Ubak sengaw bahalang ula kentaj ru, halur kajingkam jeng kidong syong shnong baka dikatahan kila syak pendu hakabaya day bat kikam penray, namar kajing persyak ya kajing ti uranium. Kani kababakla shibun, POE, habangi ya kanu kekam penray, kesorkar kam judan satya ya kanu kajing tarai sniw halendat jongka. Kakam penray kakam penray. Kesorkar omtang bakawan ra'i ikam penray hakathan badan uranium, Henry kajusam markum jo ikam penray hakeleng kejela ulaong. Halur kajing sungkya kabaya day bat kajing sniw kilinti surok bat kajing bambiang kijaka ajing sumar hapo kathan. Usembut menteri rangba ulaong bakasorkar kela persyang penle ya kababahatam. Bat ban penyok surok habarok kawai kejela. Hoot ngim ong bangila ban ai ki surak ki bapaka kat sabadan ki badawa. Henry kum go sorkar ngisngap ya kajing dawa jong upat ba bat kat kabala kala penyo ya ke surak ula benram.
We are very clear on that. We are not allowed uranium mining. Government is stand with the people of the state always. There may be about uraniums. We are very clear. We are with the people of the state of Meghalaya. Where with that facts. I'm not aware. The only thing that uranium mining is not allowed until unless the whole state is on board. Obviously, if there is any allegation, government is always trying to verify whether right or wrong. But obviously, that's the top priority. Totally wrong. You see, whenever we give developments, we never have negative thinking behind it. Development is development. Because you've seen very clear, government does not bring development only to the uranium area. Across the state, is equally distributed. You know very well, we are trying our best as a government. We are trying our best to give road from across the state of Meghalaya. But yes, of course, it does not mean that we are able to give perfect road to whoever demand. But as a government, we are trying to listen to the demand people. So wherever possible, we are trying to give road.